Welcome. If you're looking for a way to mute call notifications from a specific chat in Messenger for 8 hours, you're in the right place. Maybe you need some uninterrupted work time, or perhaps you just want a break from constant pings. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the simple steps to silence those calls without missing out on important messages. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Once you're in, find the chat you want to mute. This could be a friend who loves calling at all hours, a busy group chat, or anyone you need a little quiet from. Tap on that chat to open the conversation. Next, look to the top of the screen where you'll see the person's name or the group name. Tap on it. This will open up the chat settings, giving you more control over your notifications. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Notifications and Sounds. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, you'll find different settings for how you're notified about messages and calls from this chat. Find the switch labeled Calls. To mute call notifications, simply toggle this switch off. This will stop calls from ringing through and disturbing you, but you'll still get message notifications if you want them. After you've toggled off the call switch, you'll be asked how long you want to mute these notifications. You'll see several options, but for this guide, choose for 8 hours. This means you won't receive call notifications from this chat for the next 8 hours, giving you a well-deserved break. And that's it. You've successfully muted call notifications for a specific chat in Messenger for 8 hours. You can always come back and turn notifications back on whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Enjoy your quiet time.